Wow, no, I will go off the things that I do usually. No, that is the entertainment. Na other part a ewo ho no yakusua ade kakra. Obiara ni ade a woyi asase so. Ade wo abehu se eye, obehu se enye. Ade wo so abehu se enye, obehu se eye. Ade wo apese obeye, obi mpese obeye. Ade wo so mpese obeye no, obi pese obeye. Metobia na mpese meye ade outside what I do now. I try to knock on certain doors. Do be no na ene no akasa. If you look behind me, this is a temple. A man for bem. Ebe de opese moye. Bia ne de opese woye. Na ene maba say me be busibusan sem. I understand certain things for you to also understand certain things. Meaning Ego's wise first. And I Alaji Bahuma Ebedin Komo. I'll be back na meba na Alaji Ba near Komo about where we are right now, what he does, the beliefs. Because in some way, I can't. A lot of things will happen right after this commercial break. Medina, as I said earlier, is our influence. Don't forget that we are going to Dubai in Kenya this very 11th August to 16th August 2021. We are now, Okubia, just 9,000 Ghana cedis. Offer brighter. Kachane say, Zion so Oko Kenya and Dubai this very August. And 2% Okubi. Ucha 9,000 cedis now. Untia BM with tickets, accommodation, COVID-19 tests, visa, everything is involved. Just call 020-2490-190 020-2490-190. Now, Felisco Sangana Limited, Simen Kanchel, so opposite Oshepe Adedia, contact them. If I choose shipping no, or monomonye, a year in Pabwan, there be shipping the mood to Oshepe car. 10 tons of Adie, 100 tons of BB from anywhere to anywhere on this planet. No contact Felisco San Ghana Limited. So Oshepe a year 10 tomatoes 3 a year. Felisco Munya San Mankin Kitino. And no more do now or has say Obeshepe from other parts of the world to any part of the world. No afraid Felisco San Ghana Limited. Zain say from call them on 0248 238541 0248 238541. Now tap send say you send this card use your own platform no from UK, Belgium, Holland, Italy, France straight to Ghana mobile money. Use tap send. The first time that's all register. Use the code Zion Felix. Dr. Grace Body say by Grace Gift Herbal Clinic. Grace Gift Herbal Clinic now on Sayari. Oshim School Junction. I'll be back. Me back. Now you think come on nakasa. Don't go anywhere.
Hello, beautiful people. This is your wig daughter, Lady Shasha. Guess what? We are here at Kakalika Plaza. Shasha Wigs as you hear Samosha, your wigs be brave, ewa hasi. Then your wigs in the susu there. And you're very, very affordable. Me pacho, so peso mo Shasha Wigs are. Ope ko Instagram and I say Facebook. Ope screenshot the ope. Now I send ya mami ankasa Shasha. It was 0541 733 368 0541 733 368. Mumpe we na mo pede. Shasha Wigs, we are the best in the game. I face so ye free delivery. Ghana has say so.
Welcome back. This is the man I ne ibedin komo other things in so a man for and so na esua ade. Media no egusua as I finish. Rabbi, welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Pastor you abako there. Edini Alaji Bahuma.
Al Hassan Bahuma.
Al Hassan Bahuma.
Yes.
Okay. Me de obi anim ade ameye. So yeah, I do interviews, I do blogging, yes, I do other things on the side.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah.
Yes,
so what's so there now here?
Well, I am the leader of the Secret Light of Symbols. Secret Light of Symbols means that I'm a secret that's like a secret light of symbols, which is in an occultic way, but our own is different from the way people see occultic stuff. But Secret Light of Symbol is a group that we've come together that we worship one particular thing that blessed us.
What do you worship? We go into that when I go inside there, but I know I'm worshiping. Then we talk about my temple and go inside.
Yeah.
What do you worship?
We worship Sheba.
Sheba.
Yeah.
Queen of Sheba. And then you're a different Sheba.
Queen of Sheba.
Okay, I've heard about Queen of Sheba.
Yeah,
I think it will be the Enyum or something like that.
We worship Queen of Sheba.
Queen of Sheba. I think from Ponsadi Enyum be.
No, okay, maybe that one. But where our Queen of Sheba normally comes from the water.
Okay. Ebeko ahono. So higher temple.
Yeah, this place is a temple.
A temple.
Yeah, higher temple.
I Christopher workers are sorry die.
I Christopher workers are sorry now because mostly because of the celebrities. Any brochure for penny for now normally this is the temple, you know.
We worship.
When somebody want to see me one-on-one to talk to me, you know, you can't just get up and walk, but a member can just come in, give his time, and come.
Okay.
But if you, say, we do our every year and common. I receive my visitors
here.
Yes.
And
so it's a temple. No, this is not my house.
It's not a house.
This is not a house.
So this is a temple where you gather.
This is a temple. Yeah, this is a temple. And this is the first temple. The bigger one we are building it at the what do you call it? East Legon Hills.
But this one looks like a house.
It's a house. It's a very big house. The top everywhere, very big.
How many bedroom house?
8.
8 bedroom house.
Yes.
When I will see you here.
Yes.
Wow, dying. Not their temple.
No, the temple. The society Sheba takes care of everything, even my daily activities, because I'm somebody that what I trust in and what I believe in gives me what I want. Okay. You understand? Yeah. So most of the things it's been done by Sheba. Okay. So we better just say, "Nyanko ponti na me yede, my brabo yede, assistant." Okay. Mine to come to my side is be Sheba that made me to be who I am. Okay. Sheba no wabonano. I want us to go inside and talk about Sheba. But for the meantime, for the next 2 or 3 minutes now, I want us to talk about this property here. It's very nice. Yeah. Why would you use it as a temple? Because temple, as I said, I used to first order. Yeah. But they will be fear will be also turn out to do other temples. Why have you used this one as a temple? Why I use this as a temple is that I deal with, as how I said, meaning penny for the age. I mean, penny for respected people. Respected people.
I don't want us to mention this, but we understand.
But yes, so I want them to feel very comfortable when anytime they are coming. I want them to feel comfortable, feel like they are home. That is why I have to let it look like I want them to feel like I'm home. Yes, so okay. That is why it's that way.
So where your cars?
Yes, these are my cars.
So 1, 2, 3 are cars.
Yes, this Camaro, yeah. This Camaro, and this Jeep Wrangler, 2018, and this Range Rover, okay. 2017-18. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's the 3 cars I use for now. For now. Yeah, but I have other cars coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So let's go inside. Okay. Now, so this is the temple that we worship and
no, we don't do worship.
So what do you do? Meeting.
We meet and it's every year that we meet 3 times in a year. Okay. We meet 3 times in a year. That's even when you're a new member. Okay. But when you're an old member, you only visit here once in a year.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Zion, first I'll be back. We are entering inside to go have a seat. Then we actually have the conversation. I just wanted you to have a look at the temple. No. So be how are you?
So where will I?
And then, if you don't come up, I'll be back.
Especially me no Ghana for ya babu che pese be change your brabo see digital marketing business I lay down the foundation for you. Doesn't matter your background, you will be able to me. You want step-by-step training. 90% of the work is done for you. You give a mentor and a coach. You use automation system. And so what thou and that's why you busy now. Your business runs in the background for you. And it's the real one building into no matter how busy you are, or you'll be your long hours. And I say, we are a doctor, we are a nurse. You know, some of you know, be our movie. Time into me, Kasaka Sibibri. When me a registered nurse and I'm able to switch that. So this should tell you how lucrative this business is. My website, my phone number, and of course, my website, register for free info. Okay, watch the webinar. We can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Now, in bye.
Welcome back. I told you, sir. I am inside the temple of the place Namono. Now, Osha, candles are here, there's something in between. About church in them na edinkomo. We didn't know Eguswa Esa Felix. Well, before we continue, no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Daddy.
A Buddha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you worship Buddha?
Yes, I say I worship Buddha because I of late not mean worship Buddha, but I worship Buddha. It's part like something I believe in it too, because the entire my dream is why I believed in it, and it said back in I think that was 2016. Me call what did you call it? Me call Dubai. And then I went to
Dubai or India?
Sorry,
India.
India. And I say the person maybe I would need you. I could do washa ye. And as soon ubia ubishiano, then the person will just pick you and do all sorts of everything for you. You don't know the person from anywhere. So I met a person like that in India, and then the person was so nice to me. I mean, like everything the person was doing for me, and this is what they worship.
Yeah.
Every morning, candle, incense.
So candle say
incense, yes. Okay. Then you make your prayers to it in the morning, and then you leave the house. Yeah. So he told when I was leaving India, he told me say. Achede na me de achel no oni bibia or de be mame it will stay in my heart forever unless he gives me this.
Okay, so do the man.
No, the man.
Okay, understood. Now let's go to what you do. Queen of Sheba. What say offering Swase?
Yeah, Queen of Sheba. Yeah, that's what she gets called.
So how did you find out Queen of Sheba? How did you start to worship Queen of Sheba?
Queen of Sheba, I started to worship Queen of Sheba at the age of, I think I was like 7 years. Now I'm a compa.
Now you're comfort.
I'm a compa.
Now you're comfort.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm a compa. But Sheba, when Sheba came in, all those things changed. He came to take care of me, do everything I asked. Made me do stop some certain things. A lot of things I've stopped because of Sheba. But how I got to meet Sheba was I wanted to after after me getting all the stuffs to help the sick person, no. I needed a seawater. In Suya and Sada. You get me? In Suya and Sada. Apple. Until me smile no more kosa in Suya apple at the bread like just a gallon. So I'm kosa in Suya the buy. At that time I was in Tamale.
Thomas for Accra.
Yes, I'm a Northerner.
So from Accra to Northern region?
Yes, I'm a Northerner. I'm a serious Northerner. My father is the most powerful man in Tamale. The most powerful spiritualist. If you get to Tamale right now, hey, it's our house that, me say, Adiachina me sorry in my house. The people I see outside, but I saw boys in Kwan. When I get up and I wake up in the morning, not even in my father's place, my place, me get no. We buy school fees, we buy yare, we be chiao, we sorry we buy be chiao, we aba na ochina ni wedding a whole lot. But okay. Sometimes when I get me buy a cry, me have peace of mind.
Okay.
So I decided to, after this temple was done, I've been in Accra. I'm almost a year now.
Let's look at Omodi in Sony by now share Queen of Sheba now.
Omodi in Sony by now me jeans you, and then me the be a can home at the year, my man. So the person was a lady. She was from Haiti. So what you Omodi in that? They believe in spiritual stuff. That is what they do. Haiti. Yeah. Mammy free Haiti and a bar in chain.
Wycliffe, I think one of three. Yeah.
That's where he's from. So
Wycliffe.
that's where the woman came from. So I needed that water to add it to what I want to do. Until me didn't see any kind where me had the animal woman you know. And then the woman left. She went back to Haiti. I can say whatever the woman came for went exactly as what she wanted. Because she was a spiritualist like me. But unfortunately, she messed up. And then all her spirit ran away and left her.
But Queen of Sheba I know is in the Bible. And yes, our Queen of Sheba now.
And yes, our Queen of Sheba. My Queen of Sheba, the Queen of Sheba, I'm telling you. Say, you bet me, I can say, you bet me, afre, you bet me, I imitate, I mean, you can't
imitate.
Yeah,
imitate, yeah. So there can be an iPhone, or somebody will do a replica of an iPhone.
Yes.
AirPod, the original AirPod, but also another AirPod from Apple.
But my Sheba is a Sheba that stands on its words.
Okay, so Sheba, the Bible Sheba.
No. I don't deal with Bible stuff.
Bible number.
No, I don't.
So more rules and regulations today. Because Bible we have so many.
Look, our rules and regulations are always that if you are not above 20, don't visit me. Don't even call my number. Because I don't work for kids. Number 2, I don't work for non-serious people. Number 3, it's not everybody who can get up and walk into the shrine. Number 4, if you are not being accepted, if you want to come and give me a new velour, you will take it back. You are not accepted.
Not accepted, saying. You earlier said occult.
Yes, let me give you a point. Ghana Hanum, ye break papa, and this a bit so did the papa. Seven, sir. Into say me be jina kwan home. Okay, let's say I'm a spirit. Let me go straight one point for you to understand. Asofo bebre almost say, they kill people, they almost sank for yare, almost man for abra bossesan, they mad, the people carry their mad. To me, you can hear to me. There's some woman, Obama in chain. She comes and take powers from me, Okumase. Me call na sorry, me call na sorry in the anajo, Okumase ya. Ubeko no a cheni nipa ma. Like people's children, ni a cheni omo. Say because say they are mad, like madness kakra akomuntino. The family ni cry nim say it's just so simple. Adia kiti enema akwala no nipa no me say no me na ko chichira sorry fie.
Dad never come say.
Obi ho no ma ho obi ho no ma. Wakoye bibi. We disobey rules no one follow yi. And that so-called place no, they don't forgive. And the same person no, is not in himself to tell you say, Mom, take me here. This is where I went. You get me? So nipa na yede ne ba ne nchen no. Oni ani a onhunu and reflect it. Enhunu baby a obe direct where your mother to take you to. So some of the problems are little, but when you go there, you see the way ya cheni. I go there, I have a software more Sheba. I have a software who are into my occult, which I visit them in the night when they need me.
I'm for say occult. How is yours?
Sheba is only there to change human being life and protect whoever you are, but never and ever to destroy you.
How does it change life?
Do you know, sir, when you become part of Sheba, the first thing we normally do is that we sit down and then 20% is a paperwork.
20% is contract.
Let me tell you, we don't joke. 20% is paperwork, 80% is spiritual work. Do you know why? We are saying Japadi in this year we are. Men can't tell say paper now, and I said, as a woman in Nipanity, I see a man who what or didn't who could shame. I mean, do you get what I'm saying? So the person need to go through the paper.
Matthias, we are learning things, so let's take it one after the other. Yeah. On the paper, like I said, we sign an artist, 5 years contract. I'll give you a house. You will do this for me. I'll give.
So do you know what Sheba does?
So in the contract, on the paper, no, what is on the paper? Contract.
The paper. What on the paper is that after your sacrifice is done, you be established. You be established. You see, you
we get there, but let's take it one after the other. As I said earlier, no. On the paper, no. Then agreement on paper, no. So
agreement no what paper so no say. It's a say wo chire baby a wote o chine bi krampo no ye woni honum wa firi mu a no bia me firi mu a me gina he. I can tell you, Zion, to be strongly tell you the day I will live in earth. Yes, I know.
Sheba catch you.
That is why I said your secret is your power. Your secret is your power.
No, that's a ben. Because 20 years, because 20 years, I because 15 years, I mammy.
I know the day I'll pass away. I'm being truthful. I'm really telling you what I mean. So if I'm not around and you still want to see me and you come, and then AB are my firstborn. This is my firstborn. My firstborn, my wife, my firstborn, my secondborn, like my my first wife, my first wife, Yuki. But that is my first son. That's my firstborn. He's 3 years, he's Washa.
Okay.
They are in UK. And then my current wife now, my second wife, is in US, New York.
Also, one child.
Also in New York. But she comes and go. A year, she comes 3 times and go. I mean, what are Ghana?
But I'm Ghana for.
They are
Ghanaians living there. That's fine.
You know why? This is what happened. Busam say you were like US, no. How I even go to and you say me we're talking about something.
So we're talking about
telling me say what are the contract and basis
on the paper.
On the paper. Abia and then our banana mini one. Then nipa for net one. Oba unime into Abia beba kase uni nipa na nkasa because me na woni me kasa me ni wadi nkomo pii what can seek bebre a kire me into you will love to talk to me and then they will tell you say the great is not around, so they will have to go back to the documents omo be kwa you document aba e dey aba be kire and son na what believe it, the one sitting on my seat, and that's my son.
Okay. Do you kill human beings?
It's abomination.
Do you drink blood?
No.
I mean, not blood of humans, blood of animals.
Blood of animals?
Yeah.
I only use blood of animal after say, why you will sacrifice every year. You take your covenant. The covenant means say, eno na ebe ye secret ebe ka ye ntem. This year dia ko.
How do you take it? Drink it?
You don't drink it.
How do you take it?
You just take it, cross on your head.
So you don't drink blood?
No, we don't.
Of any bonja bia nkomo.
No, David. Baby, na mbeni mujane.
So you just kill animal as sacrifice?
The only animal I like killing when you ask me. Okay, but I mean, so you do not say in the olden days, now you bu ponko se ponko ye nipa. No, now we nordness. We believe se ponko ye nipa. Horse. I eternal say ponko crack. When I go home, I have 2 horses at home, white ones. I like white stuffs. People ask me why I like white stuff. Anytime Sheba or I visit the sea myself, Sheba comes out white to me. I always like white stuffs. Me painting me car black da. Me use car black da. Me bibia ye fita. Even me see me fi crown pa. Even my temple in Tamale. My ye fita.
Okay, let's look at how you say a Christopher ya sorry. Mo we dey.
A Christopher ya sorry.
And mo we dey.
We see there be a some sorry. You know what we will do?
What do you do?
Then he say we a new member says I and waba. Who do dear mammy? Say me share ma say. Open so munis abrabone and even my din. E dear ma. What kwa sorry be what to talk and who apple and who money spray and who dear and who oil and who dear, but you are still where you are. Then I take your name. And then I ask Sheba, and Sheba tells me, say, you are not accepted. I'll come out straight and tell you, Sheba says you are not accepted. You get up and you go. I don't have anything to do.
So if you get accepted?
When you get accepted, that is when you smile. Do you know why? Anybody who gets accepted, smile and kneel down on me. Because that is the day. That is the day. Sad day no. And then the nipa na brabo. Assassin.
How?
That is a big question. That is a very big question. Sheba establishment na Sheba it is establishing nipa no. Establishing me can. Mean to me ka say obet me establish e bia oba odina he. E bia 5 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 6 billion. Maybe and I say be $20,000, $30,000, $50,000. Mean to me can't. But obey establishing no. Ama. Uhuna. Don't say what? I knew this guy last. I know this guy. We're all in example. We're all in dummy. Oh, I know him. Hey. I know this guy. Well,
I say, why you am an abruso overnight?
Then you don't understand. Let me tell you something, Zion. I encourage people say, do be try on trobia say, sana hono, na men pebi baby in found home kwa she. Say sorry na be ko, shemko sorry. Baby a ujidi one, ma ujidi enka ho. But any kind sa odi better na say there. Men yes are least mistake no. Because Ghana ha. When I see the celebrities and I say nipa omoba min chain, I see say me when I see and the visitors I get, then I know say inti me so obi din komo na obi ka bibi no aka say eno e dia na mhwe na no ye mesere.
Because most of them are not telling the truth on how they make money.
I'm telling you. Most of them are not telling the truth of the way they are making money. They use something to catas. Maybe be cataso.
Maybe I say Unesca. Maybe I could be.
Listen to me. Do you know what I do?
What do you do?
Aside being a secret leader of Sheba, upon the money Sheba provide the money do you know say I built estates and I sell?
Okay. We see that in town.
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at the highest amount.
But Hills.
It's Legon Hills.
It's Legon Hills. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
3 days ago.
No, a week ago.
Okay, me Bobby. 3 days ago, I was at Asharbuchi down. Eddie call once I call Hills. Yeah, so I was there. Which my friend. I mean, he's my friend. He has been to me in Tamale. He has visited me, and he saw me. You know, but we after I traveled, we lost contact and all that. So we met, and he was like, "Oh, he has put in 1 or 2 buildings in Santo and then Hills," and he didn't know that after him, no, the Atuaso belongs to me.
Let's look at the highest amount that Queen of Sheba has given you.
Queen of Sheba have ever established. First person who came was $1 million.
I mean, to you.
To me, I don't need anything because if you have, I have. So you are my problem.
So the first person about Queen of Sheba $1 million.
Yes. That's first. That was the first thing I saw Sheba did for me, and I left to do some tenacity. Me come, me di pada, be go me home, say me come beam and answer him. No, I'm only going to stick to Sheba and initiate people into it. And also, me initiate you to it. You give your covenant to it.
What kind of covenant?
Covenant means say me no wa it was secret covenant. This is the room.
Oh, okay. So no matter what,
nobody should know the source of your income. And how they feel yes. Never would anybody know the source of your income.
Free.
Oh, okay, say free my and I say me to me so sir.
Oh, wait, my jai.
Say free my.
No,
you still have it.
Oh, okay.
You still have it, but only say you make sure say Sheba's respect is always given.
What's the respect?
The respect in say you don't have to lose him. That is Sheba. Me being a grandmaster, I Sheba too. If you don't want to be visiting every year, meeting now Yeshiano, that is when we meet each other. And we don't meet each other here. Sometimes we do it at Golden Tulip. Sometimes at Lisa Hotel. Dubai, yeah, first one. Bush I don't know, me feel Bush Khalifa na mbante me.
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
Yeah.
That was our first. Your first we are Dubai. Members no more. Ehoni share your first one. Honum. Ehoni share first one. Second one. Like you share every year beyond. So you a new person. Ubeba 3 times. Ube process no be 3 times. But ube full member we are once in a year beyond na be visit once per.
Okay.
Aside once in a year na be visit once no one. We will be talking because ABR we have one strong ABR you remember ABR or police headquarters example. Na upe police ama ABR obia u feel say oboano. Now you have a member in Sheba. It's just a letter. And I bet you now the your code no account. No chance if go and give it to so and so. What the command pay, he knows that it's coming from a brother.
Oh, okay. So I am here with Bahuma. I didn't come about the society now can say Sheba as a obo jotre that's like established. So let's look at how the establishment will come. What's the first person had $1 million? How does it come? And ever say when it's no fiscal and I say how does it come?
You know, sometimes many people will actually say, how would somebody put something like this down and then hold himself up? If I tell you, say, our next interview, I would love you to just sit here and I'll sit here. And then I'll let you see something. I'll just let you see how Sheba do his stuff.
How does he do it?
When it's ready for Sheba to establish you, you are here, I'm here. And you be free them, you be free down one bar, and you want you be free from one bar, and you want
you be free
down one bar, and you want
what be piano?
David. But the hand at the corner, you per se a bar a common, any divisi hockey. That's back.
Now the Sheba.
Oba, or yin, or say, Oba, or ye ready. When you ready, say Oba. I'm knowing myself again. When you ready to come out. Zion, me nimkura say your friend Zion. Just say.
Oba in what form?
Oba in what form? Sheba comes in a form that you will not see Sheba because Sheba bit me at him. We bit me at show. Ye chuvadi.
Honda.
Ah. Obi a mi beda mi kra me se mi koda na mi hu ne da.
Nti e ba in what form ya wo cobra. Hen, cock, Oba in what form?
Oba in what form? She comes like the way she comes now. From Sheba's top coming down. You only see Sheba's from the row. And the banner form. A bedroom in fin. Kwana ya wale chiremi.
Uniform name.
This question I was telling one of my friends, but I wasn't supposed to tell you. It free in my econo. Opie area say me friend area no ba. Opie ba. The downside no. The downside no. The downside no. I'm not trying to, I don't want to say it, but you just want me to say it.
What pictures?
As in,
what pictures of Sheba?
Pictures of Sheba. Sheba ba. If Sheba Ed comes here and I say a face Sheba, all this light has to go off. All this thing will pipe is here. If I just start.
Tahaba also.
Seminya start to send me friend one. We will come now with everything ebe pai.
So we can.
Let me come out as on light.
Light you will do.
Need the ane candle.
Oh, okay.
Need the ane candle. But light or papa. Asana waba.
Okay.
Because the NTR sometimes the make a flaster house. Let me tell you, make a truth. Maybe you'll be I hide some certain things and I don't hide some certain things. Make a flaster house and then I met Mebodi. I don't mention. So why is it that it's called secret light of symbols? Secret. Yeah, very secretive.
Okay.
Yeah, very secretive.
Okay.
Do you know how many pastors who are in Ghana who are following Sheba? South African unima so for Mikuta or South Africa. AC, Joburg. Me do South Africa. Who do South Africa? Now ko Joburg unko South Africa o pebe sika for what Cape Town. Me when I get to South Africa right now straight, I'm going to Cape Town. I don't go to South Africa and stay in Joburg. No. When I get to South Africa, straight to Cape Town.
Okay.
Because of why? That is where South Africa is big, but if you want the richest people where they are.
Yeah, we know. They're in Cape Town.
They're in Cape Town.
I understand.
So my members and my pastors in South Africa are all in Cape Town. And I won't mention names, but I hold a lot. Which they depend on Sheba. They have Sheba ring. Almost say Sheba ring. Yeah, sorry.
Almost ring, yeah, sorry.
Yes, they wait to work. Yeah, sorry. They wait to work. They almost yeah, sorry. They ekutawa Zion. Ekutawa. And I say we recitement no fee na oba. We software. Enye Ghana for omo hihye nkof so mbedi adanse no. Before I will be ban, asema wo tirima wo ba se oba sofo no be hu aka kire wono. Mika Sheba me som say the same asem na sofo no be ka kire.
Okay. Enche yemeko But I want us to make certain things clear. Munkum nipa.
No.
Munnu moja.
Never.
What are some of the benefits that somebody would members no munya?
These are some of the benefits people get, and I say when you are being accepted in Sheba. First thing, Obi Ohonoma, he's going through a lot of challenges and sign of joining Sheba. Sesia wabe establishing Sheba establishing with a huge sum of money. Say one maybe waba ebia wenya wa establishing $1 million, right? He can't let the person go like that because Obi Ohonoma, there are people who have gotten money before and they free of monsa and they've come back. Like there are people who have gotten money before, not on any spiritual way, but they got the money, but a free of monsa. So when such person is being accepted now, Sheba need to make sure say Obebusa say in your family, who do you want him to protect for you in your family? Wada na jono, ojina no so, no so now, like a security man. Ojina mi gate. Some chooses ne yure, ne ma, ne mami, ne bufu. People you like.
So protection is part.
Protection is part.
Okay, I want it.
2, when you are being part of Sheba, uton adea. Yepa yensa at the call line 30, selling one thing, they be a nebesa. And nobody can travel around to find out say we the bibi neton wadian. But se unya yako jumpe makola mami go having makola.
Okay, we found a question before we go. Sheba chiwade daddy. Then if I say okay, you hear the chiwade and now ubuswa then beto.
Sheba chiwade ubuswa, you take your punishment.
Which is the punishment? Ubu.
No. Punishment they say oba obema o aye 1 or 2 sacrifices.
Sacrifice. More.
Baby. Mawenchel patron bra. Obechel say eye ponkwa obechel say to ye your sacrifice is always a white horse or a black cow. That's what we use to initiate a member.
Mm-hmm.
A cow or say obiani ni suba me no me cry a different from you. The original in China cry different from me. The original and cry different from me. The obiano ne cry. Into your cram to me the same.
Yeah.
You enchant to one say Obia Adea Obiani. Ono ne kasa. Na metie na makachre. Yesterday there was this man. He came to me. No so be pegola mami. Pegola. Yeah. Just pegola. It was in the afternoon. Yeah. So then I came outside. He also be pegola honum. Maybe when they come, sometimes people are in now. They are still new members now. I don't want them to meet old members until say you have been taking your covenant.
Mm.
That's when you become a year, you know. Year be a ishia ba akope. Afi be a ishia ba akope. Aside that, just say be a any maybe maybe I want to say na be a bibi ne o person finding out, then you just call me, Daddy, are you around? As I'm home. Then you come over and tell me, Daddy, I want you to check this for me. No, ma check here, ma. Aside that, say you be share, you be share there. It's always a year one.
Na chiwade.
Sheba chiwade, and say, I told you already. Say, ne chiwade. Menses, ma. I won't say menses. Ma, me, someone. Sadia ne eya ompe. But oyo ba, but eya ompe. Onu mumnu ye ba oba, but eya ompe. Inti se wo Sheba me ka se wo yere die dura pam no there be, but you don't have to wear your ring. Ube here to chain. Your wife can do anything for you. You can do anything, everything. But men in yeshi.
What is in the ring?
What is in the ring? What? Take a look at it. What does it look like? I mean, if your camera can get closer.
What does it look like? Tiger.
What does it look like?
Ojai. Abo abebe.
Enya abebe.
Eriade.
Zion. Sheba is the most greatest and the most powerful spirit that I'll tell you in Ghana.
Eriade.
Secret light of symbol. Any symbol.
Today that's like a tiger and say abo ben.
Abo ben that's. Why are you so emphasizing on knowing this thing?
Okay, so before you go, a number in case
everybody want to get in touch with me. You can call me simply. You can just call me 0244. My number is just so simple because me started using number. I read by time, and I'm starting using number. I took over from my dad.
Okay.
I'm not somebody. Also between better, I can say, yeah, me. And a 2 minute by farm so and some people talk like I see whatever that's going around because in the social media I see everything, right? My one problem that I want to tell you is say Zion, people are trying to let people see the bad, like almost per se. I don't know what they want to do, but I feel like one person will say me. So what they do is say when I posting me pic, when I post somebody I can to me share obi, then the person would like to have a picture with me. Now you trap picture, we na enipa na kwa posting. There are some people who go and take the picture and go and put it right. If you want to do this and this, saying this and this. And this 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 and this. And I've met a lot of people. I've met a lot huge. What I say? I've met a lot of people in penning for those things were not supposed to circulate. Can you imagine say X for meaning personal picture you take here. After meaning DM come after that we took our personal picture. He's my father. That picture, people started using it all over. Wale is my no names mentioned. Like they use those, they are using my pictures to scam people because it's hardly to get in touch with me.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Okay. So beware. Why?
It's hardly to get in touch with me. So what they do is that they use my pictures, Instagram, Facebook, to lie to people. They lie to people that AMA, then be talking to you and ask you, do this, do that, do that. Please, anybody who is watching me on Zion Felix.
So give us that number now.
If you want to get me, my number is so simple. My number is 0244, another 44, 0010.
Repeat.
0244, another 44. 0010.
Final words.
The final word to people. And they say, "Ene iwia say you was isi no. De yehun was inimu. Enye eno anyway ni kan so. De bia beginning no. Spiritual man no ana konfo no o defeat sofo no. Na emom no ebeduru movie na wie ye no. No aba be defeat konfo no. Na o konfo no abeye say woni hwe a movie. So if they are going to watch those things on movie, no mo dey show my dream when we say obi so adaka obi to get rich or to be rich. Now we think say it's true, or you being coming to join Secret Light of Symbol to be rich means say obeswa daka nanti anajo. No. But it's things that they create in movies. So I want people to understand that this Sheba, the occult here I'm talking about, leading by Sheba, I would never and ever reveal your secret out, even if you are not in this world again. What I talk to you, or when the two of us talk, not Sheba, because if we go into where Sheba is, Yabe 3, Sheba will listen to you. Ubekasa, Sheba will listen to you, and now finish and tell me what to tell you. I'm a catcher. What's the matter with the free fever? What's the matter with the free fever? Zion said to say, well, you are paying me for a visit for a reason. You have one or two problems. Example. Sheba, before I man, kasa, keep quiet. Na me can't tell. Didn't uba water her.
Okay. What I say?
What I say? And it's very important because mostly, you know, my to munu, any abruchi, and then like any in Dubai, because South Africa, me go Kenya, me go like Sanya mano. I go to see the me go UK and all that. Intino me pamo chow. Wa we share Zion Felix Biano. Always make sure say if you want to be part of Secret Light of Symbol, me and my dream enye will say you are putting yourself into a danger zone. And now say okoya dia wo chire bi no wo benya hu nsunsu aso me ni wuni problem bia me dia ne say there are people in our society they have their money ready before they came, but they only came for a different reason. It's not, I'm not saying say obia betimi aba but Sheba only helps who he thinks he's a serious person. Ono no boano. But then say obia or sorry bye cre betana seje ko there be. Sheba don't do that.
Okay.
Sheba makes sure say oye na there or in the right way. Me mean there is no day my friend. Me mean yes obia true. Me can't. Sheba makes some say me mean here obia want see this. Everything I have, people do it for me. Mintoshi. To be frankly with you, Zion, Mintoshi. You see all these cars I have, I didn't buy them. Mintoshi, I'm telling you the truth. Mintoshi, I don't buy anything. I don't buy anything except what I'll buy. And they say, people coming in a yearly thanking Sheba. No, who one will be the to say Ghana's car like all cities 1 billion for the yearly giving. Now we have yearly giving say. We have a yearly giving say. It say if it's time for me to maybe do 1 or 2, so sad time, you know, I do sacrifice for Sheba. Now aba no so we who say was smiling no who say ono so no mo aginedi we ngum anu ase.
Okay.
Mama na ye mama na who say mo ginedi.
What I say?
What I say?
What I say? Thank you very much, Sir Omega Sai.
Yeah.
But as I saw also share, and he's giving his contact. So if there's any other question you want to ask him, Biana, then.
And also my final word.
Okay.
My final word is that Zion is not telling you to come to me.
No, we are not telling you to come to him.
I want to explain myself and let you people know that what you see in movies is not what is real life. And Sheba doesn't kill. We don't use human sacrifice. We only use animals, whether a horse or a black cow. We are done with you. We don't. And after your covenant, trust me, I give you 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Okay, Menka Sebra, as he said it, I just came for us to understand how other people also operate and how other people also make their money. I can't say no be a they are genuine people who have actually worked and made money. And the other people who say no. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.